I'm so bad at drawing these. Hope you can see it. It's going around. Okay, so I'm good. The good news is I can leave my functions in terms of x, but how would you describe the height of the shell?
4x minus x squared.
Yeah, the height is going to be the higher curve minus the lower curve. Good job. All right, 4x minus x squared minus x squared. So 4x minus 2x squared. Okay. Now, if we were rotating from the x-axis, the radius would be x as I was going along. But let's kind of figure this out. Okay, so when x is 0, the radius is actually, what is this? 2. And then if it's 0.5, it's 1.5. How am I going to figure out the radius? I'm now doing it from here, right? Couldn't I just take 2 minus whatever the x-coordinate was to figure out the radius? Does that make sense? If this is my x-coordinate, I would do, to figure out how far it was, I would do 2 minus x, if this is x. Does that make sense? Because the radius is from the axis that you're rotating it around. All right, cool. So now I have an h of x and an r of x. Let's put it into our formula. So I am going from, well, can you tell where this hits the ground? Yeah, 0 to 2. And then I'm going to do h of x times r of x, which is 2 minus x times 4 minus 2x squared. By the way, while I'm pausing here, I think I would rather use shells for this one rather than disk methods. Okay. Let's expand it. So we have, let's see, 2 minus 4x minus, oh, did I forget something?
Yeah, you forgot to put the x out.
I did. I was looking at my work. That's supposed to be an x. Okay. We have 8x, right? Minus 4x squared minus 4x squared plus 2x cubed. You probably could have seen those together, but this would be putting these together minus 8x squared, right? All right. So we have 2x cubed. I'm going to put it in order. Minus 8x squared. And I put those together. Plus 8x dx. All right, what's the integral of that? I need this to be a 2 when I'm done with it. But if I pulled it down, it would have been a 4. So shouldn't we divide it by 2? 1/2 x to the 4th minus all right, let's finish it. So 2 to the 4th is 16 over 2, which is 8, right? 2 cubed is 8 times 8 over 3, so minus 64 thirds. 2 squared is 4 times 4 is 16. Did I do that right? Oh, and I didn't put that 0 in there because when I subtract it's going to be a 0. Okay, alright. Alrighty, so... Well, I can do 8 plus 16 to get 24, I guess. If I wanted to do it in terms of thirds, then I'd...
You got a problem.
What? Oh, that's okay. We got close enough. If we wanted, you guys are with me on the 24? Okay. 24 minus 64 thirds. If I wanted to use, like, common denominator, I'd do 24 times 3, right? Which is what? 72 thirds minus 64 thirds, which is 8 thirds, times 2 pi. So 16 pi thirds? I don't know why it's... I mean, why? My monitor's been going out. Okay. Well, I hope that saved that whole video of 20 minutes that I just took, because